Finary Net Worth Tracker app pricing explained what you get for your money. Finary is a financial management app designed to give you a complete view of your net worth. Many people assume net worth trackers are either limited or expensive, but Finary provides a simple yet powerful approach. The app is free to download and lets you connect basic bank accounts, investment portfolios, and crypto wallets. For more advanced features such as multi-currency support, detailed analytics, and insights into alternative assets, the subscription plan costs per month or annually. There are no hidden fees, and the platform is compatible with both personal and joint accounts. Most people get this wrong by thinking a free tracker is enough. The surprising truth is that Finary's premium tools help you spot trends and make better financial decisions. For example, you can track stock, real estate, and crypto investments simultaneously, and the app will calculate your overall net worth growth or decline automatically. In conclusion, Finary offers both a free and premium experience that scales with your financial complexity. Whether you want a simple overview or detailed analytics, the app provides transparency and actionable insights for all levels of investors.